Clark Roofing, roof system experts. Metal roof systems are found on many large warehouses, retail centers, storage buildings, and factories. This roof system has exposed screws and deteriorated flashings and numerous active leaks. The TPO retrofit system offers additional layers of insulation and a seamless solar reflective durable membrane. Replacement is efficient and will not cause interruptions to your facility operations or typical business. Project setup is important to protect the work site and the public. Materials are safely loaded onto the building using special equipment. Materials are staged at key locations to be ready for use as needed. Providing detailed and accurate proposals limits waste and reduces the project's cost. All installers are certified, trained, and experts at installing the entire roof system. Proper planning ensures a successful project and reduces time on site with little to no interruptions to our clients. Our roof systems are installed with strict requirements and quality control specifications. Upon completion, all roofs are inspected by our quality control team and a final detailed inspection by the manufacturer to ensure the roof system is perfect and in accordance with all requirements. The replacement of this roof was completed in 3 days. This roof had over 60 active leaks, and the metal surface increased the temperature of the building. The additional layers of insulation will reduce the load on the cooling system and reduce energy costs. The completed TPO roof system will provide many years of service, and the solar reflective surface will further assist in cooler interior temperatures. The original roof system has many laps and seams that have failed over time, and each has become a source of roof leaks. The TPO roof system is seamless and has a continuous layer of protection. All laps, seams, and penetrations are heat welded to form a complete system. Call Clark Roofing for your roof system inspection, roof maintenance program, emergency repairs, new construction projects, or full roof system replacement. We have the solution for you. Call today or visit our website at clarkroofingtx.com.